Hi, beautiful people. This is Ala's vlog about a banana plantation that we established. We actually established banana plantations for people. And so we have a beautiful gate on the farm, and this is to limit the unnecessary movements in the garden. You know, people love cutting banana leaves to give to their animals. So this will help us to have kind of limited access to the garden. So this is how a garden looks like. So beautiful. We have fenced all of it and we have mulched all of it. The garden is super cute. Everyone wants to enter and be able to admire. It's really big. We expect to have about 350 banana plants in this garden. So I'll keep you updated, guys. We shall see how it's going to do, but for sure it's really beautiful. I've seen most of your comments. You've really loved this garden. So, and I'm here to tell you that this can be your garden as well. If you have land and maybe you need to develop it, you need somebody to help you, I'm here for you. My contact is in the bio. Go and check it out. Call me, WhatsApp me, and let's talk about agriculture. Can establish these beautiful gardens, beautiful kitchen gardens, vegetables of all types within the country Uganda. So contact us so we should be able to establish for you, and if you need maintenance we shall still do that for you. So far our client is very happy and excited, and that is very beautiful. So I won't talk much. Enjoy the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and for starters, my name is Asperia and I'm always very happy to give you videos, guys. So that is it. I love you.